everybody, and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Today I've got another edition of What's New. Now I don't know if these are really new, but they're new to me. I found these in it was in a gas station when I was looking for some soda, and I was also looking for some other candy, and I happened to find these. I've not seen these before. I might be able to find them in a Mexican market or like another gas station or something. But what these are is they're the El Sabroso brand. I believe that's like a Mexican kind of thing. These ones are called Blazing Hot Cheese Crunchies. Spicy cheese crunchy puffs, flavored corn snack. So these are like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos almost. And the other one was the Blazing Hot Nacho Cheese Snack, spicy cheese flavored tortilla chips. Both of these were in the same place. They were only $1.50 a bag, so it's not too bad. On the Crunchies, it is 150 calories per serving, and there are 4 in a bag, so that would be 600 for the whole bag if you ate the whole bag, if you could survive. This one is 410 per container, so it's the whole 410 for the whole bag of chips, so it's comparable. Now I don't know how flamin' hot these are. It doesn't say if it's habaneros. It just says here on the back, it says hot and zesty, crunchy and flavorful. El Sabroso Blazing Hot Nacho Cheese flavored tortilla chips will satisfy your cravings for a delicious hot and spicy snack. We cook these chips to perfection and season them with nacho cheese and blazing hot spices for an unforgettable taste experience. You'll love every single chip you bite into. Enjoy. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do that, but now this one, it says the same thing, I think. Blazing hot, crunchy, and flavorful. El Sabroso Blazing Hot Cheese Crunchies will satisfy your cravings for a delicious snack made with real corn. We cook these curls to perfection and gently roll them in cheese and spices for an unforgettable taste experience. You'll love every single crunchy that you bite into. So yeah, it's the same thing. I don't know. It says hot and spicy. This one says hot and spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the cheese crunchies. I'm not sure if I can survive, but okay. This reminds me a lot of the Flaming Hot Cheetos. See in there. These look a lot like the Flaming Hot Cheetos Crunchies. Now, don't know if these are like the XX or just the regular cheese Crunchies, but they smell a lot like them, so I'm assuming they're going to taste a lot like them. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Actually, that's good. Spicy cheese. So it's not flaming hot like the Flaming Hot Cheetos, where it's mostly the just the flaming hot intense pepper. This actually has a cheese taste to it, but it's spicy. And it's not as flaming hot as the Flaming Hot Cheetos. It does have a little bit of burn, in it. There's a lot of spice. The cheese flavor in this is actually really good. It's like a mix between the Flamin' Hot and the cheese, or nacho cheese, spicy cheese. So it does have a little bit of burn if you eat more than one. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of a burn in the back of my throat, but not overly so. The XX Flamin' Hot Cheetos were a lot hotter, so these aren't too bad. So actually, that would be, I would say that would be a chip for a beginner in the hot spices, but it's not as bad. So I'm going to try the Blazing Hot Nacho Cheese Chip. And again, they got a lot more oil smell to them. I don't smell as much of the spice on it as I do the oil that they've I guess fried the chips in, and they've dusted them with the spice on it. So it's not a real heavy coating. It's just lightly dusted. So here we go. They're a little bit thick for tortilla chips. The Doritos are not quite as thick as these. They do taste a lot like the Puffs. They're not real hot. It is like a nacho cheese flavor with a little bit of spice in it. So it's a spicy nacho cheese. Now, I think I like the cheese Crunchies a little bit better than the nacho cheese chips. They do have a little bit of heat to them once you eat the whole thing. So for these two, I would rate the nacho cheese Blazing Hot, I would rank these about a 3 out of 5. They're okay. They're comparable to Doritos or some of the other tortilla chips out there. They're just a little spicy. They'd be good for someone that can't handle really hot stuff. The Blazing Hot were a lot more. They do leave a little bit of a burn after you eat them. So I would only give those about a 3. For the Blazing Hot Cheese Crunchies, I'd give these about a 4.5. I like the cheese flavor to these, and the crunchy part of it was actually a little bit better. I guess however they use the corn to make the little puffs is a little bit different than the nacho chips. I guess these are a little bit harder, a little bit thicker, and these are just a nice crunchy little snack. So I would rate these 4.5. They're not as good as the Flaming Hot Cheetos Puffs that I like, but they're actually good. They're a good snack. If you don't like something terribly hot, even though it says Blazing Hot, I don't think they're that hot. But some people out there may be really sensitive to the super hot snacks and then they can't eat them. So if you're one of those, I'd stay away from the hot snacks altogether, just because I know it causes trouble with a lot of people and they can't handle them. But if you're like me and you like the spicy stuff, go ahead and give these a try. I don't know if you could find them in your gas station or if you could find them, you know, maybe at a grocery store or Mexican market. I don't know. But I would recommend you go ahead and try them. So, till next time on Drew's Food Reviews, go ahead and give me the thumbs up if you like the video and leave any suggestions that you have down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any content. And until next time, I'll talk to you later.